Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by putting the garment on or using a dress form to assess fit. Use a tape measure to determine how much to reduce, marking between 1/2 and 2 inches inward. Pin at the center front and both shoulder seams to simulate the new neckline shape and check balance. Use tailor's chalk to trace a smooth, even new neckline curve and add a clear 3/8-inch seam allowance for sewing and adjustments later. Fold and pin the fabric along the chalk line, keeping a consistent 3/8-inch seam allowance. Baste by hand using 1/8-inch temporary stitches along the pinned line and try the garment on for a second check. Look for gaping at shoulders and evenness across the front and back. When the fit looks correct, sew the new seam with a sewing machine at a 2.5 mm stitch length, then carefully remove the basting threads and check the neckline curve. After sewing, trim the seam allowance down to 1/4-inch and grade layered seams to minimize bulk at curves. Understitch the facing or seam allowance within 1/8-inch of the seam to keep the fabric from rolling out. Press the neckline gently using steam and a tailor's ham to shape the curve without flattening it. If you want extra stability, add a top stitch 1/8-inch from the edge or apply 1/4-inch stay tape before final pressing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.